Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. You know, me always that prefer it be night. When my little Jamaican lifestyle vlogs or videos reaches you, that you can kick back, have a glass of wine, have a cup of tea, have a cold beer, and see what go on in a family life here Jamaica. But whenever you get the chance to, it's just as good. I'm just giving thanks for another day. How about you? Good morning once more. Good afternoon. Today is Sunday. You will not see this vlog until about Monday, but it doesn't matter. I salute you with love, with peace, with happiness, with the joy, you and your families. I've just did a video for the cooking channel. What we did, we had it for breakfast and all of that. As I go through my day, I want to take you. But the very first clip I want to show you, you know, I always be true, be real. And if I can't show you the truth and the real, I will not vlog. I will not do anything. That's who I am. So I'm going to take you along to show you what is happening in my kitchen after breakfast this Sunday morning and after a video for the cooking channel. See? So look here. At the kitchen this, you know. Breadfruit cuttings. This are them yellow. I just did for you a video for the cooking channel, and I know you'll be seeing that video before you see this little vlog here. Breadfruit left back on me I eating now. Everybody get for them already. Breadfruit and salt mackerel. Whoa. Right here, I have some pig trotters. Mama, I hear this me not eat that. I picked it up yesterday fresh, but through me come in and tired, me just did rest it in the fridge freezer. Me have one chicken when me take out here. I don't know how much of me or how much of who or how it go. But I'm gonna go through my day at home here today. Somebody asked me, said, Debbie, you ever tried a Korea? Me see it yesterday, I still can't get none for me. So me I got try it. Me I got see what it is. So it's pretty, it call it pretty, but me not pull it yet to see what go on in the bag. This is what is happening. Sink over here so, full of dirty plate and all of that. So we roll because that's a real thing. That's a part of the living. That's a part of life. You can't have house and every time you have house and kitchen, house always prim and proper and kitchen always prim and proper. You got to show the people what is happening in the real life, because you, for my kitchen dirty and misplaced and stuff in there sometimes, and you all who are watching this video have times when your kitchen is like this. We woke up and we were doing breakfast. Also, we're using what we were doing for breakfast as a video. So this is the aftermath and all of that at the kitchen and the table and all around on the stove. And at the end of the day, we give God the glory because we have like a salt mackerel and piece of breadfruit in a pot here. So let me tell you something. You will see me in the next clip. Because look here, Tori, you go on a yard there in a rocks in your company. Catch you. It says the one Roxy, him see the camera. Roxy, not easy, you know. Where's the charge? Come here. I'm on the outside Parry AC. Yes, I make a bag of knives. No, so that's how it go. Come here. Come here. Come. Cause it turn. Give me that here. Give me Parry. Real thing this, you know. Give me that over fear. Also talk to me. Come here. Come here, Tompa. Come here. See the Roxy him down there, Sapari, you know see him? You watch him? As he see the camera and gone. Roxy full of... Yo! Come here. Come. A thumper that, you know. I see the thumper in there, you know. And him a run things around there, you know, Pari. Yeah. A whole night last night. Come here. Come here. Look. A thumper that out the door with there. Yeah, you miss your mother and your brothers them. I'm a run things around here right now. Seen Barry? You're good? Come baby, come now, come. All you know is I came right up on you too? Go you too. Papa? She run God, give me wind up in there. Real thing, Parry. You see the water pressure, Parry. Everybody home for the nice Sunday. So I have a few chicken in that. It was hot from early, I know. But it's, you know, I want it to out quick enough. Make it season it, make it stay there. So look here. I Pari. Give me a watch it vlog, you know. I know she gonna laugh when she get to it, you see. Me just run go over there, go make one deal with them. Hear me? Oh no, I cook. Then say stupid. Me say, oh, come me did a cook curry pig trotters and barbecue chicken and potato salad and rice and peas. But me can't bother. Me nah no peas and all of them sitting there. So them agree now for the rice and peas. Them not have no rice though. Or I don't know if them not have enough for one. And I said them not have no coconut. So I said me already made coconut man. Because I always dig up my coconut them. Sometimes I cut it up and freeze it. And all of that to make it easy up on Sunday. You don't know them where they parry. So I carry the rice and the coconut go give them. Come back now, come tidy up the kitchen and then I can season up. When I season up, eh? And then if anything I can go catch a little that little puss snap there. Because I wake up from early, you know. This morning I woke up so early. So as we go through our day, we'll take you. Okay? Thank you so much for tuning in to us right here on the Jamaican Debbie Deb stream. Catch you. So Pari, so me do me take a seat. I'm sitting, me I do Irish, me I peel Irish. For go make potato salad. See dad cut up a chicken for me, clean, me just go season up. But me honestly think me I carry that chicken there over keep me oven, you know, because looking at the oven Pari. Me don't have no energy now, me forgot to cut them something there. Pari, you wanna comment if I saw no overstay too. Lord have mercy when me for bake. Can you believe I haven't? Dad's supposed to give me some extra cupboard space underneath here, so I have some things. I'm going to take it out. He give me some the other day underneath here, so but it's never enough. If you notice, something I have out there, so but it's not enough. And so when you do kitchen work, I say it's there, you know, your cutlery and all, it continue growing, so you need a lot of space. I might just need a different living location, probably. Kitchen with a lot. If I did have more top cupboard space, can you believe I just this as top cupboard? That is crazy, stupid. I have cupboard, people come, some more cupboard come. So, but anyhow, and that's some of them I go season up my chicken. But me swear Pari, me swear so me I go set up a chicken and I can't go push in a chicken oven. Because them have nothing in them oven. Me can't bother with that. So I have my trotters over here, so and some like my trotters cut in a Pari straight way, I like it cut down. I don't like it cut round. And everywhere, maybe that's why I not cook it so long. Instead of water, maybe they must say I use water over there. So look here. I make a good progress, I kind of tidy up the kitchen. So it's not fully 100%, but that, you know, breakfast, aftermath and all of that. And look here, I can make my own barbecue sauce, but I always tell them I use this from some YouTube and something and them say it good. So I saw it yesterday on special. But not really on special, like a summer seed come. And yeah, them a big it up sweet baby rays. So true me did feel like say I never gonna make I never have enough thing to make my own homemade barbecue sauce. When I do my homemade barbecue sauce, it's off the chain, you know. I've not uploaded that video as yet. It's off the chain, so me say me I gotta try this. Let's see if it can match up to mine. Yep. On the ear thumper, Pari in the ear thumper, want come in the kitchen. So you hear ya? Want come in the kitchen. So me I go cut up the potato, leave everything, season up the chicken, need little time, because this is not a long marinating in a Pari. Because I think 12 o'clock must have gone, 12 o'clock now. And what me I do, I might just go push, I go ask him if I can come push the chicken in the fillet oven. And then now, when you see me, I go show you what I want to share with you now. I've never used it. If you have ever used it before, comment. So I'm going to use it and then I'm going to tap on how it goes. So smell here. I'm sitting you all. I'm sitting in the kitchen. So me take my time I go on and a panka and I go on around. We have our video now been uploaded and you're going to see this video, breakfast video long before today's Sunday. You will see that video in a few hours, but you won't see this vlog until tomorrow. So wanna hear Tampa Pari? Wanna hear Tampa? I really look a ruler, you know. Catch you. Pari, see curry here. So, your daddy over there talk about if he can get milk or milk. I don't know, I go try it, Pari. I go try it. It's not turn brown, so I go see what I can do right that way. So, I go and rub up the trotters here. and go and coat it up and show you what it look like when I coat it up in the curry. And go and rub up the trotters. Me a marinate. It don't look too bad, Parry. I'm gonna try. I don't know about the flavor though. I don't know about the flavor, but so far I'm not disappointed in the color now that me a rub up. But when it finish, me make you know. But it don't look too bad at all. Me not that brown thing there. Me not have it. Okay, Paris. See my little part tight here now. I'm finish me. Wow. Me eat 2 pieces. Alright, me not like. I love pig trotters. It's not too bad, but my curry would a little brighter. I don't know. It looks so to me, yeah. But it's not too bad. So this time I finish pig trotters look, and this time a barbecue chicken look. I still not see them come with the rice and peas yet. And I have some whole heap of gravy for share for the 2 hours. And maybe gravy can leave back to, because you know say the barbecue gravy it not is so thick like the, you know, like the sauce you put on it for bacon. So this is a lot. And I have that over there. And Parry, I am hungry. I eat some of my trotters already, so the bone there. Duppy them I eat too if I drop them lucky. I got to do some lettuce now and some tomatoes. So when we dish up, me make you see better even my dinner. Because I don't know all the dish in a go. But that's what it look like, and we're gonna have a lot of water because your girl is tired. So next clip you will see me when me I eat. Maybe I just go out and do eat because I have the AC on, the fan I run too. I have one wall fan with it too, and in a burn up. Because you know them time you get hot now. So this is where we at. I'm hungry. Really hungry waiting on them. Catch you in the next clip. So Parry dinner is served. Lazy take Jerry and Kim them and then just the plain rice. Them not bother the rice and peas. So see my curry trotters there. I have piece of barbecue wing, tomato, lettuce, and I have some potato salad. I'm going to pipe on the outside there because the sun is so hot. Inside the hot is a shame. So I do right on the outside there. I take a cool breeze. It's a Jamaican thing. I'm around in the backyard there. And I eat. When I'm done, I go hold a glass of water. So Roxy over there, so. Roxy, we get you this time though. You soon get your food. Where Tompa there? Tompa?
I'm inside.
Tompa in the kitchen, Parry. Me soon a little bit in the kitchen, Tompa there. May I finish right when I start. A bit sweaty. It is as hot as ever. Can't turn on the AC yet. Can't turn it on too often. Or too, you know, most of the times it's like when I'm doing videos, I turn it on. I feel resort to the fan then. But there's a fan where I am now, but it's noisy. So I don't really want the feedback of it in the video. So pardon my little sweatiness and all of that. Didn't get to finish the vlog yesterday. I was hoping to, after I came from the bathroom, to finish for you. And then you would have edited it and uploaded it over the night, over last night, and you'd get it already. But the light went and probably I just saw it forgot. So I'm finishing it off right where I started with you. Today is Monday. Good morning to you. Good afternoon, good evening, and most of all, good night when you get to see this little vlog here. You know, I'm going to finish it off right now. And I hope you have enjoyed what we did yesterday, what we put together for you. So today I'm Monday. May I finish it off on a positive note. Give thanks for life. Give thanks for strength. Give thanks for the families. And we are giving thanks for everything. Once you're here, you give thanks. Yes, what may I say? And you're off to work. Maybe already. You're at work. You're going to on a night shift. Whatever it is. If last week was a setback week, make sure you come back. This week is the coming back. If last week, the other week, and prior weeks were a setback, make sure you make this week a comeback. Try to make up for lost grounds. I can't get everything in, but don't give up. Doesn't matter what is going on around you. Remember to open your eyes. Be vigilant. Be wise. Listen out to your ears. Learn for glance. You get what I'm saying? Do not give too much some type of people. Not give them too much space in your life. Know who you're opening up your hearts to. You get what I said to you? And the evil around you, make sure you are dealing with it with prayer. Through prayer, it doesn't matter how long, you know. Because I'm telling you, I've been going through some things, you know. I keep telling you all. But when the time is right and when I reveal it to you, I know you're going to say to me, say, Debbie, I couldn't do it, you know. I couldn't do it. Because a lot of people have said to me, Debbie, I'm not telling a lie, you're good, I couldn't deal with it. But it is my journey. I'm going to have to deal with it. And you know why? Dealing with it, I've learned so much. You know, so I'm learning now to take the positive from what I've been through, and I have learned so much. Okay, you know, make the evil around you, don't let it take control of you. Fight it through prayer. That's why I say my outro is never let the evil around you, never let it take control of you. Steer on top of things. You gotta stay. There are some evilous forces around us, and most of the time they come in the form of people. You know, people that laugh and talk, they eat and drink. Debbie, Deb, and they would your throat. You see what I'm saying? Just be strong. Make sure you have the family intact. Make sure say you have prayer. I don't care if you go to church. I don't care if you're baptized. I'm not talking religion here. I'm just saying if you believe in the power of prayer, prayer. Make sure you do some house prayer. When Ozigana work, because we the ladies, we have got to do this, you know. And when the kids them gone to school, take the house from room to room, every single room, bathroom, kitchen, call in the spirit of upliftment, call in the spirit of peace, call in the spirit of love, invite the spirit of upliftment and prosperity and peace and love in your homes, in your families. Pray for your children individually, pray for them collectively, pray for your neighbor them picnic, pray for all of the kids them, the younger people them at large. Okay, make love prevail, make peace prevail. There are some people you can't, love and peace can't prevail with them, you know, but you know what you gotta do. Don't let them in too much, and if you have got to let them go, you gotta let them go. Make sure this is a productive Monday for you. You ain't gonna see another Monday like this. This is the 29th of April 2019. You have never seen this Monday before, neither will we see this again. You know what I'm saying? Whatever comes, make sure you're prepared. Make sure you're ready. This is a journey of life, and it is getting more and more complicated. Make sure it doesn't matter what happened. Try to laugh. Not stress out yourself too much. Be prepared. Make your body be in that position, that all that you have prayed for, all the breakthrough that you have prayed for and that you have been waiting for. Make sure you just humble yourself, and when the breakthrough come, your body not pop down and you're not sick. Because if you pop down and sick, I tell you, so them will come take it from you. So I'm going to sign out for now. I'm going to leave you. You know me, I'm going to leave you with. Never let the evil around you, never let it take control of you. Steer on top of things. Eh?